student, I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our computer class. Okay, as we are learning chapter number 4 Word 2016. In the previous video we learned about introduction and how to cut and paste the text, formatting the documents and about fonts. Now today we are going to learn about alignment in words, undo and redo, checking spellings and grammar and about shortcut keys. Okay, so let's see first alignment in word. What is alignment in word? The arrangement of text relative to a margin is called alignment. Okay, the arrangement of text relative to a margin is called alignment. Now there are 4 ways to align a text. How many? 4 ways. Okay, now where you can find the alignment in your computer, you can find alignment on the home tab in the paragraph group. Okay, on the home tab in the paragraph group. Okay, now let's see the 4 ways of align a words. Here you can see the icons. Okay, this type of icon you can see in your computer in the paragraph group. Okay, now just see, first one is left alignment, second center alignment, third right alignment, and fourth one is justify. Okay, these are the 4 alignment. Okay, now first we will see about the left alignment. What happens when you click on left alignment? Okay, when you click on left alignment, what happens? All lines in the paragraph text is left aligned. Okay, when you click on the left alignment, what happens? All the lines in the paragraph text is left aligned. It means जो line होगी paragraphs की, वो क्या होंगी? They will come from the left hand side. Okay, they all will be same from the left hand side. Okay, clear? Now next, when you click on the second one, that is center alignment. When you click on the center alignment, what happens? All lines in the paragraph are centered between left and right text margin. Okay, when you click on the center alignment, all lines in the paragraph are centered. Okay, सभी लाइन क्या होंगी? Centered में आ जाएंगी and they between left and right text margin. Okay, like this. Okay, zigzag. Okay, like this. Now next, number third, when you click on right alignment. Okay, when you click on right alignment, all line in the paragraph text is right aligned. Okay, when you click on the right alignment, all the line in the paragraph will be same from the right hand side. Okay, from the right margin they will be same. Okay, next, number 4 is justify. When you click on justify, all line in the paragraph text is justified. It is aligned both the left and right margin. Okay, when you click on justify, what happen? All the lines in the paragraph they will be same from left and right margin. Okay, दोनों तरफ से क्या होंगे? वो same होंगे from the left and the right margin. Okay, so by using the alignments, you can change the look of your paragraph. Okay, according to the left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify. Okay, clear? Yes. Now let's see about undo and redo. Okay, you can see this icons. Okay, this is the icon of undo and this is the icon of redo. Okay, where you can find undo and redo button in computer? You can find undo and redo button in the computer at the top of the screen in the corner at quick access toolbar. Okay, वहाँ आप क्या कर सकते हो? undo and redo button को वहाँ आप found कर सकते हो. Okay, now we can use undo to reverse our last action. Okay, we can use undo button to reverse our last action, and we can use redo button to reverse undo. Okay, and we can use redo button to reverse undo. Okay, suppose you are preparing for a speech. Okay, आप एक speech के लिए क्या कर रहे हो? Prepare कर रहे हो. Okay, and suddenly you notice that a particular paragraph is not needed. और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि एक paragraph जो है particular paragraph वो हमें नहीं चाहिए, and you deleted it. अब आपने क्या किया? उसे delete कर दिया. Okay, but suddenly you realize that you made a mistake. लेकिन तभी क्या होता है? आप realize करते हो कि आपने mistake कर दी उस paragraph को delete करके. Now not want. So what you can do, you have to just click on redo button. What you have to do, you have to click on redo button from the quick access toolbar. When you click on that redo button from the quick access toolbar, the paragraph will be get deleted again from there. ठीक है, वो पैराग्राफ क्या होगा, वापस वहां से डिलीट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो undo is used to reverse the last action and redo is used to reverse the undo. Okay, undo is a function performed to reverse the action of an earlier action and redo is a function performed to reverse the action of undo command. Okay, clear all of you? Yes. Now next we will see about checking spellings and grammar. Okay, Word 2016 automatically checks your spellings and grammar when you type some text. Okay, जब आप कोई text type करते हैं तो जो Word 2016 है, it automatically checks your spellings and grammar. Okay, sometimes you notice that while typing you can see the red and green lines, okay, under the words. Okay, green and red lines under the words. What the green and red line indicates? Red line indicates spelling error. Okay, where the red line appears under the word, it means you have done a spelling error. Okay, it means आपने एक spelling mistake की है. And when the green line comes under a word, it means green line indicate grammatical error. It means you have done some grammatical error. Now, if now you can correct your spelling and grammar error also. How can you correct your spelling and grammar error? What you have to do? You have to right click. You have to right click on that word with the mouse. Okay, what you have to do? You have to right click on that word with the mouse. When you right click on that word, one menu will appear on your screen. ठीक है, एक menu आपके screen पर appear होगा. Okay, in that you will see the relative words and suggestions. Okay, वहाँ पे आपको कुछ relative words and suggestions आपको मिलेंगे. From there you can choose the correct word and correct your spellings and grammar error. Okay, in this way you can check your spellings and grammar in your MS Word. Okay, yes. Now let's see about the shortcut keys. Okay, some of the shortcut keys are also there which we can directly use from the keyboards. Okay, which one they are? Let's see. First one, Control plus P. When you press Control plus P, it means paste. Okay, it means you want to paste. Okay, when you press Control plus P, you can paste one text from another place. Okay, एक text को दूसरे place में क्या कर सकते हैं? Paste कर सकते हैं. Second, Control plus U. It means underline. When you press Control plus U, your text will be get underlined. Okay. Next, Control plus B. It means it's used for bold. Okay. When you press Control plus B, your text will be get bold. Okay. Now F7. Okay. When you press F7, it means spelling check. It will check your spellings. Okay. Now Control plus Z. Control plus Z is used for undo. Okay. You can directly use the keyboard button Control plus Z. It will used for undo. And Control plus Y. Control plus Y is used to redo. Okay. Control plus Y is used to redo. These are some shortcut keys which we can use directly from the keyboard. Okay. I hope student you all understood about alignment in words, undo and redo, about checking spellings and grammar and shortcut keys. Okay. Now let's see practically how we can do all this thing.
Start.
Now we will see the alignment in words. Okay, what is alignment in words? The arrangement of text relative to the margin is called alignment. Okay, now there are 4 ways of aligning text. Here the one paragraph is type है ना. Here you can see the 4 options. These are alignment. Okay, the first one is left alignment. When you click on the left alignment, all the line in the paragraph text is left aligned. Okay. Now when you click on the second option is that center alignment. When you click on the center alignment, all the line in the paragraph are centered between. Okay, centered between. Now the third option is right alignment. When you click on the right alignment, all the line in the paragraph text is right aligned. Okay. Now when you click on the fourth option, that is justify. When you click on the justify, you can see all the line in the paragraph text is justify left and right side. Okay, in this way you can change the alignment in words. Okay, now next we will see about checking spelling and grammar. Okay, here you can see the green line and red lines. Okay, red lines are for the spelling error and green line is for grammatical error. Okay, suppose if you think that your spelling is wrong, for that what you have to do, you have to right click from the mouse. When you right click on the mouse, you can see here the 3 words. Okay, choose any of the word which you want for your paragraph. When you choose it, your spelling will get correct and the red line will disappear. Okay, now same here also, again right click and then this. Okay, your spelling get correct. Now for the green line. Okay, here green line is for the grammatical error. Again what you have to do, you have to right click on the mouse and here the one word will come, you have to click on it, your green line will disappear. Okay, for all you have to do the same. Okay, in this way your grammatical error will disappear. I hope student you all understood about the alignment in Word and how to check spellings and grammars in MS Word. Okay, I hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.